Hi, this is David with EminiTradingStrategies.com. This is the weekly video update for April 19th through April 23rd, 2010. We had a great week trading. We had at least two one and done days. Some had three one and done days this week. So some had 2 days that they had losing trades and they had to recover, and some had 3 days we had losing trades we had to recover. That's important to know because one and done's great. We get in, we get out, 5 minute day, 10 minute day. Uh, I think Thursday was a 30-second day. Okay, but then there's times we're going to take losing trades. That's part of the business, and we have to recover. So recovery is very important. I stress that a lot in my course, so I always talk about that even when I do these weekly updates. Quick note, we did do a Ninja Trader sponsored webinar Thursday the 22nd. If you'd like to see a recording of that webinar, please get with Al at eminitradingstrategies.com. We'll keep that webinar up for about a week. We've got some promos going on because of that webinar, so you want to check those out as well. So get with Al. You'll notice if you were at the webinar that we're using the same charts, except we're adding Friday's chart because we didn't have it for Thursday, of course. So same charts because it was the same trades. I also want to talk a little bit about the NSEs because that has always been my bread and butter trade, and I'm going to discuss standard NSEs and higher probability NSEs and show you a few examples of that. But first, let's go over Monday. We had an EET trade one and done. This is Pro Indicator version 2, illustrating the trade. Nice winner. Okay, here's another chart on Monday. Now, this yellow shading is no zone. A lot of you have been following my weekly videos. You know this. What no zone is, that's a period of time that we don't want to take normal system entries, otherwise known as NSEs. So a standard NSE is a winner about 65 to 70% of the time. That's a standard NSE. Now we have an NSE that comes out of no zone. That's a high probability NSE. Okay, that's reaching closer to 80-85% win rate. Okay, and then when no zone isn't in place, the percentages go way down, so we avoid them. Now, of course, NSEs could win at any time. Any trade could win at any time. There would have been an NSE here that would have been a nice winner, but we're in no zone, so we didn't take it. The point here is that we love the NSEs coming out of no zones. So we're in no zone here. When we lose the back coloring, we're back into the zone. We take the first NSE. Beautiful winning trade right there. So even though we had the one and done on the EET, I'm just illustrating how this NSE coming out of no zone is a higher probability than a standard NSE, and it's a very good trade. Another example on Monday as well. Coming out of no zone, first NSE, boom, nice winner. Okay, same thing Monday. We are in no zone for just 3 bars. Okay, and you'll see we're in no zone twice here, and there's different colors. And that's simply because there's different rule set involved that dictate no zone. Okay, but in any event, first NSE out, boom, beautiful winner. A lot of them. Now Tuesday, first trade was a losing trade, and the rules kept us from taking this long NSE. We went into no zone. We had a short pullback trade here. Great trade there. Let's move on to the next Tuesday chart. We had a good pullback trade, couple nice pullback trades, but same thing. Here's that no zone. First NSE out of no zone. Nice strong winner. Very nice right there. Wednesday, one and done on an EET for some. Some did not, and this is why. We were coming out of no zone. Well, what's the trade to make coming out of no zone? That first NSE. Well, guess what? We don't win every trade. First NSE out of no zone. It's a high probability trade, but it lost. Rules kept us from taking this trade, and we went right back into no zone. So some were waiting for that higher probability trade when it could have had the EET. Okay, sometimes the rules will help you, sometimes the rules will get you into a losing trade, but the rules will also get you into recovery and back into profit. Now, a continuation of Wednesday's no zone, you'll see we have a lot of good pullbacks. Another nice NSE coming out of no zone, great example of that. And again on Wednesday, we're in no zone, first NSE out of no zone, sweet short trade right there. We got to hurry up, we're getting low on time. And today, this is actually Thursday, this was for the webinar. We had a nice one and done in EET. We were done in 30 seconds on Thursday, And then finally Friday, we had a break-even trade on an EET. Okay, this is not the chart. I don't have a picture of the EET because, and well, I do, but we're getting too low on time. I just want to illustrate here the no zone again, and this was the trade that we won on, that we lost on the first. Well, I'm sorry, we broke even on the EET, and nice NSE coming out of no zone again. So point here is we had a lot of great trades. We had a great week, a very quick week, but I'm really highlighting these NSEs coming out of no zone because the high probability of these trades are there. But we showed you an example of one that lost. Okay, we never claim to win every single trade. We can't win every single trade. Part of the business is winning and losing, and it's all about learning how to recover from your losing trades. So in any event, great action this week. Had a lot of volatility, really nice volume, great week, really good week to be trading. And we only traded probably 4 to 5 hours this week trading my S&P system, and that's probably maximum. So in any event, again, get with Al Mobus, Al at eminitradingstrategies.com if you'd like to hear about our promos or get a link to the webinar video. Thanks for watching.